Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear sisters. In today's fast-paced and unpredictable world, staying spiritually grounded can feel very challenging. So join me for part 2 of my UK tour, Anchored, Staying Spiritually Grounded in a Turbulent World, hosted by Al Khalil Institute. We'll explore the transformative power of God, remembrances of God, and how it can build resilience during life's challenges. Discover practical ways to weave dhikr into your daily routine, strengthen your relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and find clarity, purpose, and peace even amidst uncertainty. So don't miss this opportunity to nurture your spiritual strength and connection with a supportive and like-minded community of sisters. I'm going to be coming to London, Leicester, Manchester, and Scotland, inshallah ta'ala, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in person very soon.